So I'm going to be teaching you about every single thing you need to know before you start your faceless automation YouTube channels. Let me tell you one truth first. All these gurus research, we are going to learn every single thing we need to know. The truth is, all these people lied to you. They never taught you any actual way to make money. But in this video, we are going to do a deep research, go into details. And not only am I doing that, you are part. We are going to details to find the best niches, to find the best strategies, best videos to make, ways to make the videos, from generating realistic AI voices to generating all the actual stocks, clips, every single thing you want to know will be in this series. And the first episode of the series is finding the niche. So if you are still there, then let's go find the niche you are into and let's get right into it. So what niche should we start with? Alright guys, so there we go. So we are going to do a little research. So I need to go on my X and let's do a deep research to find the best niche that suits faceless automation. Now when you go on X, there are experienced people out there. So there are people out there who have the experience and they can guide us through. You know what I mean? So we search faceless automation, alright? Faceless automation, guys, stick around. Yeah, faceless YouTube. I also got one from Paddy Galloway. He went deep into details, teaching everything. For now, let's just stick with what we have. Alright, so let me put my face right here. So Adams says I help 9 to 5 hours. What the fuck? 9 to 5 hours grow YouTube and monetize faceless channels. So we hop on his channel and then we do a bit of research. So guys, I want to get you guys involved first, and in my next video I'll give you what I learned. So we need to be realistic here and then have everything moving smoothly. So if you read right here, um if you read right there, let me pick up the brush. So it says if you have these two things, a computer and 2 to 4 hours of work, all right, so 2 to 4 hours a week, which is literally not a tough task. Having 2 to 4 hours a week, that means you want these three things. So yeah, I hope you guys, you have time, you have a location. I mean, if it's faceless, these things are useless. But let's see. And then 10,000 per month on YouTube. Oh, it says if you want time and freedom, if you want location independence, and if you want 10,000 per month. Hold on. So yeah. So that means here's exactly what I'd do. So this image right here is one of the channels of his students, he claims. And when you check the long versus short form videos, you can see that 100% of his videos are long form. He has not posted any short form videos. And he has accumulated 1.4 million views in the last 28 days. That's not something easy to come by. And he has gained 1.9 thousand subscribers in the last 28 days. All right. So, guys, the estimated revenue is 3.8 thousand to 10,000, well, we don't know which niche he's doing, and every niche and the revenue you generate per thousand views, which we'll be discussing. Or I know this will be stressful, but just take your time and let's just understand it like a YouTube, course, free course. Now, step one, like I said, is niches. I told you guys we'll be going deep into it, so just consider this as episode one. First, he used Google Trends to identify a trending niche. Normally, I'd say it's some bullshit to go on Google Trends and find out what's trending. Once you want to find out what's trending, then it needs to be in the football niche, to be in the finance niche or news niche. But niches don't need Google Trends to be acquired. This way, you could confirm there was a demand of his content, allowing him to go faster and start making money sooner. Here's an example of what Google Trends graph indicating increasing demand. So guys, we'll watch the video and see what the fuck he meant by that. Um so there we go. He searched for the term his country, United States, and let's see what was trending. So NBA players, but then you might not be you might not be perfect in a particular niche. You get it? So let's say NBA. How the hell would you make those videos? You need to go for actual footages. And let's consider it as being soccer. If it is soccer, we all know that you are getting copyright strike no matter how you zoom in, zoom out, put in effects and all those stuff. So step one doesn't work. You need to go in for your interest or go in for things that are in demand, evergreen stuff. Now, evergreen, I mean things that never get old. In the next 10 to 20 years, people would still want to learn how to make money online. But videos like how to make money online in 2025 are old videos. They're not gonna get more views in 2026, even though they'll get few views, not more. Because the things, let's say, things that worked out in 2025, come on, they are all gone. Clickworker, I made almost 900 CDs. That's 99 euros or so on Clickworker. But now when I go there, there are no tasks to even get $1 or €1. So you can see that things age, and we oh my goodness, I just dropped my light. Things age, and we have to just allow them to, find their way out. So then that moves us to step two, guys. You need to stick around. I mean, we have a lot to discuss. Now, step two says ideation. To find winning video ideas, my student uses vidIQ. I prefer use ChatGPT. vidIQ is also perfect, but um they are a bit sloppy. So you go to ChatGPT and then you input your niche. But now we've not found our niche. I'll be taking you through the steps on how to find your niche. This one is just to understand. We have to be realistic here. I know you've seen a lot of faceless automation videos. I've also seen a lot of videos, but I've done deep research, analyzed everything from top, YouTube experts like in fact Paddy Gallo. We have a video. There are a lot to come, so just relax, consume this from Adam, and let's see the pros and cons. What's Adam telling us that's actually right? What's Adam telling us that's a lie? We need to understand, all right? So he said by using trending video too, you can see which topics are generating demand, speeding up path to monetize. When you start faceless automation, I know we all want to make money, but the goal here is to think of, you know, the progress. You love it, you're working on a business you're starting, you need to have the mentality that I'm gonna make that money in 3 or 2 to 3 months time. You can make or start earning in as quick as 1 month. Even some people start monetization in 2 weeks, and it takes one great video to get there. So don't be focused mainly on the monetization, else within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you'll be drained out and you quit. You give up so early. It's a business. It's something you want to work for the long term. You want it's delayed gratification. You want to work for the long term, not for the short term. So you need to keep on working, keep on pushing, and you need to attend to YouTube automation like a business. Now the third step he says is titling. A title make a video success. We all know about titles, thumbnails. He said, yeah, thumbnails are really crucial, and you can use thumbnail makers like Canva. Let me turn off the subtitles. So you can use Canva for thumbnails. We all are aware of it. So I'll be doing deep tutorials, giving you every single thing you need to know. So yeah, he says thumbnail. I mean, these are just common knowledge, and then hiring. But here's the thing: we don't want to hire anybody. Now I'll be playing a video. Okay, sorry, but I created a history video, and in my next video I'll be teaching you every single thing you need to know to be successful on YouTube, either as a faceless YouTube channel or as an actual YouTuber, personal brand, a lot. Thumbnails, video strategizing. We just have to, you need to spend 5 hours a day researching. You just don't need 10 minutes video. You need a lot of time understanding every single concept. Right now, he said Irene, and we are back to this. We all know about niches, titles, thumbnails. So this one useless hell of a post, and let's see what he's got on his channel. The biggest truth about YouTube, you always wish you started earlier. Do yourself a favor and start now. Yeah, guys, do yourself a favor and start now. So then now you can't just start now. You need to understand the game. You need to know what you are going to do. So here's the thing. I'll end this video here, and then I'll put in the next video. And the next video I'll actually put on practical steps. That way I'm teaching you step by step how to create your first channel, which niche to use, which niches are booming. So guys, thank you for coming this far. I know this video, some might say, wasn't quite valuable, but I'll say I shared a bit of information. See you on the next episode.